If you're adding power to your car, then you might want to consider its cooling. Today, we're installing an uprated intercooler on our MK8 Golf R. In simple terms, the job of the intercooler is to cool the air that enters the turbocharger. Again, we are simplifying things here, but the principle is colder, more dense air means the potential for more power. In addition to lower air intake temperatures, our larger intercooler is able to maintain lower temperatures for longer, enabling you to enjoy the full power of your engine for prolonged periods. As you will have come to expect from our team, our Golf R intercooler has been fitted and tested on our own development car over several hundreds of miles and run on the road and on our dyno in various states of tune, so you can invest in this upgrade with complete peace of mind. Combine our premium quality intercooler with our stunning carbon air intake and a VW remap for more than 400 horsepower in your MK8 Golf R. You heard me right, our car is pushing 405 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque in a Golf. If you own a MK8 Golf R, this is an upgrade package you are going to want to invest in. If you'd like to unlock your car's true potential, visit paramountperformance.com or give us a call on 01789 774444. Our team would be happy to provide installation at our Warwickshire workshop in the UK, or we can arrange worldwide shipping to a location of your choice.